The direction of Canopy is that we want to be ultimately the glue that connects the entire financial ecosystem. So my name is Martin. I'm originally from Germany and started my career in banking there. Spent 15 years overall in the bank, different parts sort of on the investment banking side. Worked a lot with clients in Asia, and then finally sort of decided that I want to do something with my expertise that is slightly outside of banking. You sometimes feel a little bit like an outsider, like, oh my God, people are going to find out that I'm not really a techie. But I found people to be very, very helpful. I think sort of the startup space, the technology space is very welcoming. Even though I know we've done many things wrong in this journey and we've tried to find the potholes and try to avoid them, but actually sort of walk right into them. As long as you realize it and you walk on and sort of find your path again, I think that's good. Canopy is a tool that aims to allow the investor to be better at what they're doing with their investment. We want to use visualization of key factors in your portfolio, your strategies, your performance, your allocation, and we want to do that through charts. Charts are always better in understanding topics. We also do that through insights that we generate and that we reach out to the client, because we want to bring this type of information closer to clients and make it more accessible, make it better to understand, and especially if used by an institution. Anonymity is hugely important, especially in the world that we live in right now, where you realize that a lot of data is being collected so that it's being used for marketing, advertisement. Now, we're in a very sensitive space. It's finance, it's people, personal accounts. And we've made a very deliberate choice to allow people to have comfort in the system. The consumer should be able to go to a business and say, the data that you have about me, I want you to share the data with me in an electronic format that I can then reuse. And it's the right of the consumer to do that, because then I can go to other sites, I can do comparisons, I can do analysis, I can be more efficient. And it drives innovation in the whole financial system. We want to be part of that whole journey, and we want to basically be a connector in that ecosystem. So therefore, we want to be the glue in the financial system. We felt that the setup that we had with the Bangkok Bank InnoHub program was really good. We were very happy that also that Nest was joining as an outside partner with a different expertise, different knowledge, different connections, a different perspective. We could see that Bangkok Bank was very serious about it and really wanted to have an impact in that space. So we decided that for us that was worth the trade-off. And that we really wanted to be here, and we saw great potential. I think definitely the connection with the other companies was very useful. It's definitely brought us closer to the market. I think it brought us much closer to working with Bangkok Bank and sort of understanding the organization, seeing what the pressure points are, where it can make sense. So I think that's what happened here. If the product is reasonably ready and at a meaningful, reasonably defined, has some traction already, the companies are willing to spend the time and effort here to be serious about it and have a very genuine shot at winning a client for the product. And in the end, that's what it means to build a business.